Hi, this is a Platinum Gamer here, and I am doing a vlog ep.3 with Carter. What the heck? And Gavin. And there's a really ugly, nasty, dead beaver laying here. We live in Oak Ridge, Tennessee, so, well, dead animals aren't really that rare. Especially beavers. But it's by our creek.
Let's go put a flower
Over
on
here.
it.
Can I zoom in? No.
Let's go put a flower on the honey boo-boo.
I'm gonna dive into this bush. Ready? I'm gonna dive into this bush with the camera. Bush diving. So I'm in the bush right now. Come out! Oh no, my shirt's gone. Ow, 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 ow! There's thorns in that bush. Aubrey, say hi. Aubrey. We're going to the beaver right now, Ava.
No.
Yeah.
You can't touch it. It got germs on it.
Yeah, I know it has rabies. Ava, you might want to get away from that beaver.
No.
Touch it. You can't say don't touch it without the words touch it.
Hugs and kisses.
Hugs and kisses, little one.
Oh,
Oh, they ate its eyeball. There's maggots on its eye.
what?
Something ate its eyeball.
Stay away, Ava. What?
No, that's not a beaver. That's a mutated squirrel. Hugs and kisses, little honey boo boo.
It may not be dead. It could be just plain dead.
No, its eyes aren't there. It's dead.
What the heck? You got a Kennebec Bobby and I. That looks like a guinea pig.
Yeah, it's probably a mutated animal. It's some
warthog.
It's mutated. It's dead
if you
too.
touch that animal, go inside and wash your hands now. No, I didn't touch it. It's mutated. Just go wash your hands, both of you. It's like a big mutated squirrel. I didn't touch it at all. Me too. I didn't touch it. It had germs on it. Exactly. I didn't touch it. You're still near.
This whole vlog is like about a dead mutated animal. Tell me what this animal is in the comments below, please. The unknown mutant animal. Ugh! Oh God, that's nasty. I kicked it. Ugh, it's flimsy.
Why did you kick it?
Something ripped its bones out.
Hey, guess what happened?
What?
Griff got killed.
Who?
Griff.
Griff?
Yeah.
Who's Griff?
Griff had grown a pebble. He's dead.
Oh, oh.
He got buried. Might be the animal. He got buried.
No, that's, it's a zombie. It's a zombie! Oh my God!
He got mutated when he was. It's not like we've never seen a dead animal. He got
Here,
mutated
hold the
when he
camera.
was in his grave.
Video me riding a princess bike. It's so beautiful.
Oh God. Because your bike will be famous. Who did that? Who did that? Maybe someone. What? Some animal probably snuck up behind it and then heard it. Ripped his vocal cords out.
He's gonna go near the squirrel.
He's gonna run over it. Guess what? Hey, I just threw a bike on the squirrel. Hey, guess what? Griff got died and Goat got died and the Goat guy died.
Where's the go guy, huh?
You had a goat?
This is Just You Betcha, Just You Betcha, and this is on live TV. Thank you very much. No, it's not.